Sudisha.
Yes, Varnika, are you there, Nana? Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See here, what is the whole part? 50 only, it's only number 50. 50 means it's a whole part or decimal part? Yes, is it whole
50
part?
is the whole part or integral part.
Yeah. In second number, what is whole part?
50.
Point, straight
Three, ma'am.
point you keep. Before point, what you have, children? Before point is a whole part. You need to write here. Why we should not write here? You should not write there. That's a unit sentence place. Now in tens and hundreds place, what you have, children? Yes, please subtract and give the answer. Where we are using that like decimal concept, I'm just giving to you, children. Yes. Can we subtract
Yes, ma'am.
2 from 0? Can we subtract 2 from 0? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What I should do? I have to take
You need to borrow, ma'am. Borrow from 5.
Yes, 9, 9, this is 10. So 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 4, how much, children? It's 5. Then 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 3, how much? 9 minus 3,
9 minus
6,
3.
ma'am.
6. So it's what is the answer, children? 46.58. Like that, we are using where we are using, ma'am. Why we supposed to add zeros like that? So, like unlike decimals, we need to convert sometimes as a like to make our calculation part more easier. Right, children? That's all about yesterday's class. And from today's class, comparison of decimals. Did I give comparison yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which bit I gave last part? Can anyone of you please give the which question I gave last?
Ma'am, some 0.0 something, ma'am.
What is the question? 1 minute, children. Some student is waiting in the wait room. Next, converting fractions into decimal numbers. This from here onwards, you're supposed to be little cautious and you have to do, children, conversion of the following decimal numbers into fractions. How we supposed to convert decimal numbers into fractions? That's today's concept. Write down, children. Convert a decimal, each of the following decimals into fractions. Each of the following decimals into fractions. Following decimals into, convert each of the following decimals into fractions. See, first
Decimal into fraction into decimal.
decimals into fractions, Nana. Convert each of the
Ma'am,
following.
like we did in the last class.
Yeah. What, Sudisha?
Ma'am, is it like we did it in the last class?
Yeah, same thing. Same thing. Suppose 0.51, Sudisha. Here, what are the places you have? Tens and hundreds. That means
Yeah, ma'am.
how many?
So 51 by 100.
Very good. 51 by 100. Good job. Next question to Varnika. 13.25 Varnika. 13.25.
Ma'am, 1325 by 100, ma'am.
Very good. 1325 by 100. Good job. Good job. Next question to Yadharth. Yadharth, I think mic, is it working for you, Yadharth?
No, it's not, ma'am.
Okay, Daksh, please. 36.375, Daksh. 6.375.
Ma'am, Yadharth is saying he'll answer in chat.
Okay, right. Edhar, please answer the question in chat box so that I can give. Edhar is giving any reply from in the chat, children?
Not yet. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it what he gave? Please read out.
Ma'am, he gave 6375.
6375 by?
Just 6375.
No, fraction means numerator and denominator. How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
decimal places are there here? That
Ma'am, 3. So,
how many? What number you will get in the denominator?
ma'am, in the denominator, we'll get 1000.
100 is nothing but 1000.
1000.
Yes, this is one way of converting. Now fractions to decimals. Fractions to decimal numbers. Sorry, children, we'll go in detail little later. Basic part first, let me complete the basics. Fractions to decimals. How to convert fractions to decimals? Fractions into decimal numbers. Children, in these fractions to decimals also very easy. When you make as decimal fractions, it is more easy, children. Decimal fractions, what I said, the word children. Decimal fraction means denominators should be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. If you have, it is very so simple, you make convert into decimal numbers. But here you just see 14 divided by 5. Sudisha, what is numerator and what is denominator here?
Ma'am,
Sudisha?
the 14 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator, and this is the improper fraction.
Okay, that's okay. Just a minute. Drona, if denominator, what number if you multiply so that you will get make your denominator as 10? Your denominator should be equal to 10. So that what number you supposed to multiply the fraction?
Ma'am,
Yes, denominator 5. 5 you need to convert into 10. So what number you supposed to multiply?
ma'am, 5 2 the 10.
Very good. 5 2s are 10. So numerator part also is supposed to multiply with
into 2, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I cancelled also, you will get same 4 by 5 only, children. But for our convenience, I can write my fraction as, for I just raised the fraction. 4 2s are how much, Daksh? 4 2s are 14 2s are
4 2s are 8. 14 2s are 28.
28 divided with denominator how much?
10, ma'am.
Ma'am, 10.
Now, is it easy to convert to decimal? This is a decimal fraction. What type of fraction, children? Decimal fraction. Decimal fractions we can convert easily into decimal numbers. Decimal fractions we can convert easily into decimal numbers. 2.28 by 10 can be written as how many decimal points you will get in your number? 2.8. Why? Because there is only 1 0. So you will get only 10th place. You will get only 10th place. So we can write the number as 2.8. Any doubt here, please let me know so that I can help you once again.
Ma'am, can you give me one question?
Yes, sure, I will give.
Ma'am, are you able to see me, ma'am?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am?
Yes, I can.
Ma'am, why did we take 8?
Where, Nana, Daksh?
Ma'am, in the fraction to decimal.
1 minute. Yeah. Where is your doubt? Please let me know.
Ma'am, you
Daksh.
wrote 28 by 10, right, ma'am? Why did
Yes.
you take 8?
28, right? 28
Yes,
by 10. So 14 2 times how much, Nana?
So, ma'am, 28.
So divide with 5 2 times?
Ma'am,
10.
5 to ma'am?
10. So if
Yes, ma'am.
denominator is 10, 100, 1000 means our conversion is very easy, Nana, than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
denominator is 10, 100, 1000 is very easy. Just you need to jump the decimal towards right or left, whatever the sides you have to check and do it. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
But you even Daksh, I will give one more method. This is 14 by 5, right? 14 divided with 5.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
14 is your dividend and 5 is your divisor. Now you can do normal division also. 5 twos are 10. So 4 is remainder. You need to take a decimal point and make a 0. 5 how many times? No, 5 eights are
And 5 are 40.
40. 0 is remainder. This is your conversion decimal
Ma'am,
number.
I'll
Like that also
do it back.
Okay, ma'am.
you can do in any method, but when you are doing your competitive examination, if any possibilities is there to convert like a tens or hundreds or thousand, you can first do it. You will get within a single step. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I understood.
Okay. Right. Right. Now, next question is 27 divided by 5.
Ma'am, I need to turn off my
Yes.
video for a while, ma'am.
Sure. Yes. Who, Varnika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Varnika, here 5 denominator. Denominator you need to convert into decimal fraction like a tens, hundreds, thousand. What number I supposed to multiply?
Ma'am, into 2, ma'am.
Very good. Into 2, very good. So 27 2 times, how much? 27 2 times, how much?
Ma'am, 54.
Very good. It's 54 divided with 10. So 54 by 10 can be written as
5.4, ma'am.
5.4. This is one method, Nana. Another method is you have to go with a normal division also. 5 how many times? 5 5s are 25. So 2 is left over. You need to take a decimal point and take 0. 5 4s are 20. You have to do like this is also same what you get the same
Ma'am,
thing.
can I take one question?
Now I'm giving one more question, children. You need to think and give your answer. Okay. Who will give fast answer is appreciable.
Okay,
Who
ma'am.
are giving fast answer is appreciable. 18 by 25. Nana, before going to think that, I will give some clues to you. If denominator 5 is there,
I'm
you
done,
should
ma'am.
multiply with that to make us. 25 is there, you
Ma'am,
need
did you
to
get my answer, ma'am?
multiply with
4.
Yeah.
To get 100.
very good. To get 100, you need to multiply with
Ma'am, 0.36.
right?
Oh, that's a wrong. Oh, that's correct. I don't know.
Ma'am, 0.36, right, ma'am?
0.36. Whose answer is 0.36?
Mine.
No. No.
Ma'am, can you see
So,
my answer, ma'am? My answer is 0.72.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
0.72 is my answer, ma'am.
Yeah, the Varnika and Ashwath is giving 0.72.
Ma'am, by mistakenly I multiplied 18 by 4. I mean 2. 2.
18 by
multiplied. Yeah. Don't worry for doing mistake. Learning from mistake is very important. Making mistake, we are humans. I need to correct immediately, or else without correction, what happens, children? We always trying to, doing mistakes is acceptable, but if you are not going to correct the mistakes, it's a really punishable thing, children. Always you can try it because only Daksh is also trying correct only. Only he multiplied with the 2, I think so. So that he got 0.36, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah,
Ma'am,
children, whenever denominator is 125, what number you're supposed to multiply, children?
by 8, ma'am.
16.
By 8.
16. 8 or
ma'am.
16? No.
8, ma'am.
8.
8.
8. Very good. 8.
You will give 1,000.
1000. Yeah. Suppose this is 100, sorry, 625. Your denominator is 625.
Ma'am, by 1 minute.
16, Nana. 16,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
makes 10,000. Like that, you have to make some table also, you have to prepare and keep with you, children, so that it makes your calculation part very fast and do. Now in this question, we can directly just denominator is 25, so that you need to multiply with 4. 18 multiplied with 4 divided by 25 multiplied with 4. So it's nothing but 70.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
And 72 by 100, we can place 0.
2 decimal places. Sudisha, please, what is the decimal number for 72 by 100 fraction? Sudisha.
Ma'am,
Sudisha
Zero.
is there in the meet. Sudisha, Drona. Sudisha and
Yes,
Drona,
ma'am,
are you
I'm
there?
there.
Rona is there. Ma'am, 0.72.
Yeah, Drona, what is the decimal number here? 72 by 100. Please answer the questions, children, when I'm calling.
0.72.
Very good. 0.72 is also correct and 0.72 is also correct. We can write in any way, children. No number means it's 0. Anything you're supposed to write, both are the correct one. Yes. Can we go with a few more questions, practice questions on this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please let me know.
Ma'am, if there is written like 20 by 34.
Yeah, that's I'm coming. Few cases I'm giving. I'm not giving all the cases. When the given fraction is an improper fraction, when improper fraction let me take yeah. Please do these bits, children. 3 by 4. Make a convert as a decimal. 7 by 2 and 19 by 50. These are the 3 questions. A, B, C. Who will give all 3 bits quickly answers? 4 how many times? Just now I said 4 how many times 100, children?
Ma'am,
25.
22.
20, 25 times. Very good, Vanika. Vanika, good. 25 4 times. 4 into 25 or 25 into 4, both are same. Which property it is, Vanika? 25 into 4 equal to 4 into 25. Which property it is? Yes, so who will give children answer? Ash.
Ma'am,
Very good. Commutative property. Order change property, we can call it as commutative property. Very good, very good.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am.
0.75.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I went out.
Okay. Okay, come on, please, Ashwat.
Ma'am, 0.75.
Okay, first bit you're correct. I think 4 means you need to multiply the fraction with the 25. So it's 4 into 25. It's nothing but 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is nothing but 0.75.
Ma'am,
Very
the
good.
next answer is 3.5.
Please don't tell me that should be tell in a.
Yeah,
tell
don't
in
tell.
a-
Yeah, 7 5s are 35. Divide with 10. So it's nothing but 3.5. Only 1/10 place you have. Here also you will get 10th place. Next, 19 by 50 you
Ma'am,
need to multiply with
0.38.
Yeah, 19 twos are how much, children?
Ma'am,
19
it's 30. Wait,
Ma'am, for
38.
a half. Ma'am, for
Very
I
good.
came at the last. Ma'am, I went to check
Okay.
someone outside. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
got all correct answers.
All correct.
Ma'am, for me,
Very
also.
good. For whom all correct, children? Please raise your hands or else please let me know names.
Yes.
Me.
Ma'am. Me.
Very good. Very good. Now, next question. Convert the following. This is very important, children. Why I'm going little slow means it's very, this chapter is very important. This is basic chapter for your senior classes too. Now, suppose this is easy case you are doing something different questions, something like convert the 3 by 8 into decimal number. How you supposed to convert into decimal number? You know two methods, children. By doing division also you can go, children. Sometimes if you are unable to find out, you go with the division. So no number 3 is smaller than a divisor, so that you can take a say point and take 0. 8 how many times, Nana? 8 3 is 24. 6 is the remainder. Then take a 0. Already point is there. You take a 0. 8 8s are
Ma'am?
56, right? 4. Then 0. 8 5s are 40. So like that you can find out the decimal fraction to decimal number to 3 by 8, 375. This is one way of doing. Is it any other way? Is there, children, alternative way? Is it any alternative way you have? No.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can some part you can convert easily, children. Some numbers denominators you are unable to convert as decimal fractions, so that you can go with normal division. You can go with the normal division. So then triple one by my question is triple one divided by 40. Who will, yeah, please come on, children. Come on, who are going to give first? Let me check. Come on, come on.
Ma'am, can I?
Come on. Yes, are you ready? Who are ready? Please answer the question. Ashwath, I'm unable to get the Ashwath voice. Mic is problem. No, Ashwath, we are unable to get your voice. You are just put in the chat box, Ashwath, today you can see. Yes, children, once if you are perfect with this, we will go with a small part of quiz today. How much you are going to understand, I suppose to want to check with you. Drona, please answer the question. Sudisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there, ma'am.
Very good. Drona, please do division. Do division. How I supposed to do? Please give the division. I'm doing on the screen. Please give the clues. 4 table. 4 table, triple one. So you just check these two numbers with 4 table so that you will get approximation. 4 how many times? 4 2s are 80. 4 3s are 120. So 2 times I can take, I will write it as 80. So 11 minus 31. So take a decimal point, make a 0. Then how many times, Nana? 310.
Yes, ma'am.
4 table 31. You just see first two numbers in 4 table. So when you will get 4, how many times? 30. 4 8s are 32. So 4 7 times. Very good, Varnika. 7 times. What is 7 times here? Can I go with
280.
280?
Yes, ma'am.
28. So 280. Now if I subtract the value, it's nothing but again 30.
Ma'am,
So
I gave the
30
answer.
anyway, decimal point is there. Again go with 7, 280.
Ma'am, 40.
What is remainder, children? 20. So take a 0 point and take a 0. So
Ma'am,
4
like
table
4 into 25, we can do a 40 into 25, which is
4
1000.
5 is 200, right? So 2.775. 2.775. Any doubt over here, children?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
your children, now your target is 6 bits. 6 bits, 3 minutes time. 6 bits, 3 minutes time. Within 3 minutes, who are going to give is appreciable. 5 by 16, first one. Second one, 7. Mixed fraction, children. If any mixed fraction happens also, you need to convert into improper, and mixed number converted into improper, then to normal. Next, 3 by 12. 6 bits, 3 minutes time, half minute for each bit. Who are going to give within time limit? Within time limit is appreciable. Correct answers. Correct answers should be appreciable, not wrong answers. How many of you do within the 3 minutes all 6 bits? on. Your challenge is ready right now.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I'll ask you after this.
Okay, sure. First, 3 minutes time for you, children. How many of you? 3 minutes. How many questions you may complete? Please let me know.
I'm done with one.
All?
One, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children, are you there? Children, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, Varnika, right. Yes, last 1 minute time. Yes, your time up. Your time up. Frankly, please say how many of you completed how many. Daksh,
Ma'am,
how many questions completed by you?
3.
Good. Next, Varnika,
Yes, ma'am.
how many questions did you complete?
Ma'am, 3 completed, ma'am.
Very good. Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
how
5.
many questions? Very,
ma'am.
very good. Very, very good. And where is Drona?
Ma'am, I was doing the third one, ma'am.
Okay, then two completed. Sudisha,
Ma'am, actually, I didn't do fourth bit and I completed the remaining.
okay. Sudisha is there in the meet, children?
No, ma'am.
She's not there? 1 minute. Let me check. Waiting room she is. Okay. Yadhartha Akshatra. Okay. Now, very simple, children. You just see, I'm doing within fact how you have to manage your time is also very important in the competitive examination. Just 25 denominator means multiplied with 4. So multiplied with 4. So 7 4s are how much, children?
10 4s are 28.
28.
Yes.
So 5
5
4s
4s
are
are
20,
4 4s are
22.
16.
16 plus 8, 18 by 100. So this is nothing but 18.28. That's all. This is direct answer, children. Direct answers, how you supposed to write? You can even cut 0 0. Without cutting also, you can go with you need to get 3 decimal
Ma'am,
places.
actually, sorry, ma'am, I miscalculated. I did all answers. Forgot.
Okay, very good, Ashwatha. So 70 by 1,000, 10,000, sorry, 1,000. So it's nothing but how many decimal places you need to get it now?
2.
You need to get 3.
1
3
1.
zeros,
3
three zeros means 3, but we have in numerator only 2 numbers. Where you supposed to add your
Before
where you before 7
before 7.
you supposed to add.
0.070.
Yes, 0.070. But this 0 also no value, children. We just simply write 0.07. Very good. Very good. Next, this one you just multiply with the
Ma'am,
2.
point
Ma'am,
18.
wait.
18 by 100.
Ma'am,
What is-
this answer is what? Yes.
Yes,
0.18.
18. Don't call it as 18, Nana. 0.
0.18.
Very good. 0.18. Now this is also very simple. 16 multiplied, just I gave 600 and how much I gave, children? 625. You just multiply with both sides 625. Why? Because these two are friends. Denominator is 10,000. Denominator is 10,000. 625 into 5. Please give the answer, children. Multiply and give the answer. Multiply and give the answer.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
625 multiplied with 5. This region.
1 minute, ma'am.
Varnika?
1 minute, ma'am. I think the
Yes,
answer is ma'am 3125.
Very good. 3125.
Ma'am, 3125.
Okay. 3125. So here, how many places are there? How many zeros are there? That many decimal places you need to get. 4 zeros. That means 4 places.
Ma'am.
0.
0.3125.
Very good. 0.3125 is correct answer. Now this is mixed number, Nana. Mixed number should be converted into improper.
Improper.
For 7 4s are
280, ma'am.
very good. 280 plus 9, 289. Wonderful. Varnika, wonderful. Yeah, multiplied with, divide with 40. 4 is there. Denominator 4 is there means which number you supposed to multiply, Nana? 25. Go with 25. Then it becomes 100 into 1,000. Denominator is 1,000. You just multiplied 289 with 25. Someone, this is very most simplest question. This one, 6 ones are, 3 ones are, 3 4s are. This is 1/4. 1/4 means what, children? 1/4 means in Telugu you are using, what is the word?
Quarter.
Quarter.
Wow.
Pav. Very good. In Telugu, pav. So it's 0.25. Varnika, did you understand Telugu? Yes or
Ma'am?
no? Did you understood Telugu or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Don't worry.
I
1 by 4 is quarter, children. We can just multiply with 25. So 25 by 100 is 0.25. Simple task. Only that this question is little taken, time taken. The rest, every question, so you can answer in half minute, children. Please practice time also, so that when you're going to senior classes, speed up and correct the solutions.
Ma'am, I
so that
started from behind. Ma'am, I started from 6th question, then 5th question.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can
right.
I have a doubt?
Where you have doubt, ma?
Ma'am, if there is written like 0 point some 100 numbers, ma'am, will
Okay.
you have to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that?
No, we have to make some groupings like that bars. If you, how many bars are there, that multiply. Suppose you are grouping for every 4, 5 numbers. Here also 4. Like that, how many 4 bars are there? You have to count and just multiply, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
That will also come to you. I didn't give it. That is, we are asking, you are supposed to tell like terminating and non-terminating decimals, children. This is okay. I'll give one example, children. I have. I
Ma'am,
want to know.
what if a decimal like 0.3333 like that, 10 threes and then 6, can we read it as 0.3?
No. Here, yeah. We can approximate. Can you do this division, children? Please give the answer.
1 minute, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Come on, children. This won't convert into hundreds or tens, children. So do like a normal division. So who will give first? Let me give. Who will give first? 22 by 7.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the quotient is 3.
No, I don't want quotient. You know decimal division, right?
Ma'am, I thought you said normal.
What, Mana?
Nothing.
Yeah, you know division, right? You know division, right? Then
Yes, ma'am.
normal doing division 22 by 7. 7 how many times? 7 threes are 21.
21.
So 1 is remainder. Make a decimal point and take 0. 7 ones are 7. What is left over here, children? 3.
Ma'am.
From 3.
So already decimal point is there. You need to keep 0. 7 fours are 28. 2 is left over. Like that, if you continue, how many
I
places?
got the
you will-
answer. Can you check my private direct message?
Can you tomorrow please give the answer for 22 by 7? How many
Okay,
places? Till if 10 places also happening, you can do and come back with your answer, children. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Give the answer in the
Ma'am, his answer is 3143.
3.143.
No,
Fine
still.
answer.
Yeah. What is Varnika answer?
Ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Come on, very good, Varnika. You are very good. Come on, continue. How many places you will get? Let me know.
Ma'am, Yadar said 3.142.
Very good, Yadar. But still, you need to do till how many, any repetition happens or like that. You need to supposed to do some research on this number. This is very special number, children. What is the value of pi, children?
Ma'am, it is like 2 pages or 3 pages, ma'am. I can tell.
Yeah. It's 2 pages. Get with your answer tomorrow, Ramanujan.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try to write.
Okay, right, children. That's all for the day. Next class, please come up with your non-terminating decimals and terminating decimals. What is the difference between terminating and non-terminating? We will discuss in the next class addition and subtraction portion we're supposed to discuss, children. Any doubts, Varnika, today's class? Did you
No,
get?
ma'am.
Very good, very good. Very soft spoken. Very good, Nana. Right. There is one more tough competitor for you, Ashwath, Daksh, Ashwath, Yadard.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am, pi, the value of
fine.
pi.
Very good. You got, you already find out that value of pi it is. Very good. Come on, please continue with your research on that number and come back with your answers. Tomorrow we'll discuss, children. That's all for the day. Have a nice day, children. Thank you. Bye, children. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Bye, children.
Ma'am, yeah.
Yeah, Ashwath, please tell Ma something you're telling.
Ma'am, the pi one, it's very big, ma'am. It's
Do that and come with your answer tomorrow. Next class we'll see. Do that. Go research. What nothing will happen. Go on research on the number. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Right, children. Bye.